welcome back to another video of trading. So we don't have any offer yet, so I did make this another video. Okay guys, so have offer for my dragonfly. It's good size and it's frozen. And I'm going to put it in the garden. Blood owl. Okay, blood owl. Who have offer? Put it in the garden. Tranquil corrupted kitsune. Who have offered? Just put down your username in comments. If you like this video, please like and subscribe so I could live on YouTube. TY. Thank you guys.